Hey, it's Jonas from Toro Websites. Quick video here to show you guys a little bit of what's happening with one of our SEO clients. Give you a quick idea of what is possible if you take massive action basically with your SEO and do it right basically. So Michigan Puppy, michiganpuppy.com. We started doing SEO for them, I believe it was October, November of last year, and we are just getting to October again. So right at around a year of SEO, and we started doing 12 hours in the beginning, and then we upped that to 24 hours per month. So if you're not familiar with SEO, what it is or how it works or what we do, you should check it out on our website. If you go to TroyerWebsites.com and then go to the menu and click on SEO, or just /SEO, and then there's a video on there where I explain what the 10 or 11 main things are that we do when we do SEO. There's probably more than that, but that kind of breaks it down into about 10 or 11 different categories or things that we do. So here, this site originally, to give you a little bit of a story, when Herman, the owner of Michigan Puppy, came to us last year in May, I believe. He was spending quite a bit of money in Google AdWords to drive traffic to his website. It was working. He was, getting a lot of traffic. He was selling his puppies. He sells about 30 to 40 puppies per month on average, and all of it is done retail, direct to customer through his website. So we built him a new website in May of last year, and shortly thereafter he decided to have us do his AdWords, and then we also started doing some social media ads, Facebook and Instagram, and that helped with his conversions, and he got some good results. We did some testing to see which one was doing the best with Google and Facebook ads, and it seemed they worked together very well. Facebook was driving a lot of traffic from people that were actually searching for puppies at the time, but Facebook was helping bring them back to the website and getting more of them converted to actual buyers. So it seemed to work best when both of them were running. Then this spring, as you all know, in March, COVID hit and the shutdown happened, and the puppy industry went crazy. Right at that time, his SEO was just starting to produce results, and also around that time, I don't remember exactly, we set up his new litter alert system so that as people come here, they don't find the puppy they're looking for, they can sign up for new litter alerts via email, phone number, whichever one they choose, and then also whichever breed that they're interested in. And basically what that allows him to do is build a database of people that are interested in a certain breed, and he's able to reach them without running ads again to drive to reach those people, basically get ahead a little bit. And so long story short, after the COVID shutdown, he was able to shut down his Google AdWords completely, no longer needed it. He was sold out of puppies. He had no puppies, and shortly thereafter he shut down his social media ads, Facebook and Instagram ads as well. And as of today, he is selling all of his puppies generally within 15 minutes or less. Every time he puts a litter on the website, usually they're sold in around 15 or 20 minutes or less. The way he's doing it is the SEO that we build up for him is driving all the traffic to his site. So people are finding his website by going to Google. They're searching for I don't know, whatever search terms they're searching for, but let's say Morkies for sale in Michigan. And they're coming here, they're seeing, oh, these are all sold, but let me sign up for whenever he has a new litter of Morgies. So they sign up, put in their email, their phone number, and check Morgies, right? Currently, last I checked, this was a week or two ago, he had over 1,100 people on his waiting lists. That is with the combined breeds. That was all the breeds together. It was over 1,100 people. And it's probably more by now, but that's last I checked. And what he'll do is he'll put a litter of puppies on his website the day before they go live. Generally, it picks a date and a time, let's say tomorrow at 3 p.m. He chooses a time and he sends out everybody on the Morkie list. He will send out a notification to their email or via text message, whichever one they chose to be notified by, that tomorrow at 3 o'clock he will have a litter of Morgies going live on the website. And here is a link to preview them, and then he sent a link to a video so they can see them via video. And what that's doing is the next day at 3 o'clock, the people that are most serious and are ready to go are on the website right at 3 o'clock. As soon as the puppies go live, they're buying them, and usually they're gone in 5, 6 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever. They don't normally last very long. So what he went from is from selling from behind with puppies on the site, no buyers waiting. He's driving traffic, pushing his site out with Google AdWords, social media ads, and getting people to the website to see the puppies and finding buyers that way. It worked. But it was selling from behind. Now with the SEO buildup, people are finding the website. There's thousands of people coming to his website every month. I should actually check and see exactly how many, but I believe it's thousands, still in the thousands of people. They're finding that the puppies are all sold. They're signing up for the waiting list, and then they're getting notified the day before a litter goes live. And if they're not first to buy the puppy that they want, somebody else is going to buy it. So that's what's been happening. To give you a little bit of an idea on the keywords that he's currently ranking for, I pulled him up in Ahrefs, MichiganPuppy.com. He's not even that great as far as the strength yet. A 27 and a 21 here. For those of you that aren't familiar, these numbers go from 0 to 100, and the higher they are, the stronger its ranking. The lower this number, the better. So 8.6 million, not even that crazy strong, but look at all the keywords. He's at 5,400 keywords that he's ranking for. 4,500 of those are in the United States. Now, let me just show you the ones that really count are position 10 and below, position 1 through 10 on Google. So there's about 10 spots, 10 positions on the first page of Google. So you want to be on the front page of Google for that keyword. You want to be in position 1 through 10, preferably 1 through 5, but at least 1 through 10. So from position 1 through 10, he's ranking for 281 United States keywords and 8 Canadian keywords, and then a few from other countries that don't really matter, don't really count because he's not shipping puppies there. And as well, he's not to Canada either. But anyway, look at the volume of these position 1. So Morkies for sale in Michigan, he's number 1. He's first position, and there's 250 people per month searching for that. Estimated. That's an estimated volume. It's not 100% accurate, but that's close. Morkie puppy for sale in Michigan, 450. Dog breeders in Michigan, 400. All of those are number 1s. Here's a number 2, Michigan puppy. He's number 2 for his business name. I didn't even notice that. Number 3, Michigan puppy for sale. Position number 3. As you see, there's a ton of puppy keywords here that he's all on position number 1 through 10. Most of these on the front page are ones, a few 2s and 3s in there. There's an 8, puppies in Michigan. And then if I would go through all the rest of the pages, it would show all the rest of them. But that gives you an idea. The keywords that really count are position 1 through 10, 11 through 20. Those are the up and coming keywords that if you're doing your SEO, you want to watch those and continue working on getting those into 10 or below position. So, you know, if we would change this through, let's actually change it from 11 through 20 and see how many he's got. Hang on. 11 through 20. Apply. I'm sure there's going to be a ton. There's 501 that are really close to being at, you know, in the top as well. So, and then we could go look at the backlinks. You know, we got him, you know, he's got backlinks from all over the place. A lot of these are automatically generated, not auto-generated, but organically generated from other people that put them there. We didn't do anything with those, most of those backlinks, a few of them probably, but when we do SEO, there's some backlinking that we do, but mainly we focus on the keywords and the right keywords and the right locations. This is a traffic value, not accurate, but it gives you a little bit of idea. This claims that 2,900 people per month are coming to this website, and the traffic value is $1,600 per month if he had to pay Google AdWords for that traffic that he's getting for free right now with the SEO. So, not accurate. Again, I've seen these two numbers I've seen that were way off, because if we look at the Google Analytics, I guarantee you it's going to be quite a lot higher than that. So let me see if I can actually pull up his analytics real quick. I'm not sure which account he's in, but I would believe it should be this one, hopefully. So we're going to look for Michigan Puppy and see if he's in this account. Yes, he is. So we're just going to pull up and see how many users there were in the last, let's change this time frame. Forget where this is, change again right here. Last 7 days. Let's go to last 28 days. So 11,000 people were on his website in the last 28 days. Shows the revenue conversion. That's obviously not accurate because, or I don't know, that's not accurate because he's only taking deposits for puppies for the most part on the website, and the rest of the transaction is processed elsewhere. So, all right, well that's just wanted to show you guys these numbers and show you what is possible if you take massive action with SEO. Yeah, we do quite a few SEO clients. We do like 4 hours or 8 hours per month, and yes, you will get results with those, but it will take quite a bit longer. You just cannot get as much done in 4 hours as you can in 12 or 24 hours or 18 hours or whatever. So, you know, the more you do faster, the quicker it'll build up and the quicker you'll see results. This will obviously, just a disclaimer, this will vary. SEO results always vary from one industry to the next. This industry, for example, seems to be one of the easier industries to get faster results. The roofing and construction industry is more of a medium to an intermediate to a harder level. There's more competition there. There's way less search volume there. There's a lot of people looking for puppies. There's not as many people looking for roofs or construction guys. There's still, I mean, you still get results, but it's a completely different ballgame. So just a disclaimer, results will vary from one industry to the next and from one location to the next. Depending on how much competition is in that area, it will vary as well. How fast it'll happen and how much work it's going to take, how much time it's going to take to get you there. So just keep that in mind if we're doing your SEO, or if we're not doing your SEO. Hopefully this will help you out. give you a little bit of an idea on what's possible, what you can do to help to grow your SEO, to grow your website organic traffic. And if you want us to do some SEO for you, feel free to contact us through our website. We got TroyWebsites.com. We got live chat on there. We got a contact page on there. We got a phone number on there. Lots of ways you can contact us if you need any help with that. So thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing what you guys can do with your website. Get you some organic traffic as well. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel and like and leave a comment if you would like to. Feel like it and would like to leave a comment down below what you think. If you have any tips for us or any advice or any questions, leave it down below. Thanks, guys, and see you in the next video.